video we'll be looking at the guitar parts for Seven Nation Army by the White Stripes. The main riff for this song is played entirely on the A string. Starts off at the 7th fret, we're going to play that twice. And we've got to go up to 10, back to 7. We're going to walk down 5, 3 and 2. That riff repeats for most of the song, though there is a variation. It starts off the same, 7, 7, 10, 7, and down to 5, and then down to 3, and at this point we change and we go 5, 3, 2. So when we get down to the 3, come back up to 5, back to 3, and down to 2. Those two riffs back to back. The two chords used in this song are G and A. I like to play them as power chords. The first chord shape we're going to use is this G power chord here on the 3rd fret of the E, 5th fret of the A, and 5th fret of the D string. I'm going to strum all down strums, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. I'm going to move this shape up 2 frets to an A power chord and strum it exactly the same. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Then we go back through the riff. For more guitar tutorials, please check out this link here. Good luck with this one, happy practicing, and take care.